Hello everybody, thank y'all for watching. In this video, I'm going to explain how I make money flipping these plastic cards right here. Yes, so now let's get started. So now I'm about to explain how I make money reselling gift cards, and I'm hoping that you take notes so that you can do the same thing to begin making money from reselling gift cards. So now let me explain. I make money selling gift cards because I buy this card from people who don't want it and I resell it to people who do want it. I am the middleman for this Tommy Hilfiger gift card. So now let me explain a quick example on what I mean. Bill has this $100 Tommy Hilfiger gift card that he does not want. He received it, he has no use for it, he don't like Tommy Hilfiger. Bill has his card and he wants to sell it because he wants to get rid of it. He goes online and he finds me posting that I want to buy gift cards. He asks me how much I want to buy it for. I offer him between 50 to 60%. He accepts it because he don't want it, and he sells me this $100 gift card for $60, which is 60%. So now Bill walks away happy. He received his $60 for this $100 gift card that he didn't want. I now have this gift card and I resell it for $90. And now don't forget, this card still has $100 on it. I'm reselling it for $90. This card sells. I done flipped 60 to 90 and I made a $30 profit on this deal. And now when you do that same step over and over and over again, you begin making good money reselling gift cards. You buying it for 60, 50% and you reselling it for 90%. So you make money by just being the middleman between people who don't want their cards and people who do want the cards. You just kind of take that little profit off top from each sale. And that is how I make money from flipping gift cards. Facebook Marketplace and Craigslist will be your best friend when it comes to promoting yourself to buy them, and also when you want to resell them. You can also use social media to promote yourself, but Craigslist and Facebook Marketplace will be your best friend in this business. So that's a quick video for today on how I make money buying and selling gift cards. I hope y'all learned a thing or two. If you have any questions about it, please feel free to comment in the comment section. Ask me something, I'm going to reply. Like, subscribe to the video. I appreciate y'all watching. If y'all stayed this long, I appreciate it. See y'all in my next video. Peace.